Hey YouTube, welcome back. Previously I showed you guys on how to fix my refrigerator. This is the GE. Every time when the winter comes or when it's cold weather, and somehow the water line it keep on freezing up. So previously I showed you guys a couple methods on how to fix it and repair it. And this time I'm just gonna show you like a quick fix and tutorial on how to do it easier. First of all, you need like a wire. When the water is not coming out and I insert this wire to that the water spout right there. You cannot see. Okay, there you go. When I insert it, you stop about this section only, okay? So last time was kind of late, and then after I shower, and then I got so thirsty, I tried to get the water, and then my kids did not tell me the water got stuck again. So anyway, and I try to use a coffee maker, and then after I get a cup of hot water and try to dip this in, and it's still frozen, okay? So it does not allow me to go in all the way. So then I went to sleep last night, and then this morning I woke up and there's still no water coming out. So I'm going to show you guys what I did today to fix it. So all you need to do is use a hair dryer. This is the Remington 1875 watts. This is pretty powerful and heats up real quick. Okay, you don't want to use a heat gun or it's gonna melt your rubber materials in there and everything. As you can see right now, is the water is leaking. All you need to do is before I go further, I want to give you guys the tips real quick. So yesterday I tried to press the water and then water will not come out. So it keep on pushing the pressure toward the water hose, okay? So when you're using your hair dryer, heat up this in this position, you need to be careful, okay? You don't want to go too close, because if you go too close and somehow the ice got melted, it's going to splash the water on your hair dryer, and then you might get like an electricity shock. So you got to be careful. Don't go too close. Do this at your own risk, okay? So I heated up around this area and then up to the spout. And then I opened the door. And then I remove this cover for the ice to go in. You gotta remove the screw down there, okay? Once you remove it, you can pop this open. And then I heat up down there. Okay, I heat up inside, outside, back and forth for about like good heat, about 5 to 6 minutes. And sometimes I use this to cool off. You don't want to go too hot, okay? So after that, I went away, the water still didn't come out, and then I went to edit my YouTube videos, which is pretty close to my kitchen. I was in the living room. It was pretty quiet. So let's say about 5 minutes after I heat it up, and I hear a squirt of water. So I know something got melted. So when I inspect my tiles down there, as you can see, my tile is all wet. That means the ice somehow it got melted and then it squirted out because due to the pressure that we will try to keep on pushing the water does not come out. So the pressure got built up. And also you can see the leaking right now. Okay. The reason behind this because it's a bad design from GE, and there are some other model, Camel and Whirlpool, still experience the same problem. Sometimes there's viewers or repairmen suggest that you put like a heating pad right there, but some of the users were saying that that still did not fix the problem, or the problem still come back. So what I did is after I heated up and then the ice got melted and squirted some of the water out, I used my this gauge of a wire to insert in there. And as you can see, right now the water could go in all the way in now, okay? So that means you unplunge your ice in your water hose, okay? Due to the cold weather. So right now I'm trying to insert that wire, and while doing at the same time, I'm gonna put more heat into it. As you can see, it's still leaking water coming out. That means some of the ice got melted again. So I'm going to clear that water line all the way and have more heat going through it. This is caused by when you dispense your water, and some water got on the hose. And during the cold weather, it froze up. That's why it clogged up your water hose and it's not allowing you to get water coming out from there. Anyway, hopefully this will fix you guys' problem again. It seems I need to do this over and over again when the cold weather comes. So all you do is just turn it on. And the reason I did it closer because I know the pressure is not there anymore, so I could go closer a little bit. But if your water line got clogged, you don't want to go too close in case water come out and splash on your hair dryer. It's going to damage and short circuit your electricity, okay, or make your circuit breaker jump, and that's pretty dangerous. So make sure you watch this whole video in order to fix your clogged water line, okay? And if you look at closely and there's no more water dripping, that means you clear out your line already. So as you can see, it's still dripping. So I'm gonna heat up some more until it stops dripping. All right? And I also heat up around here with the hair dryer when it got clogged. So that heat will also melted the ice in the hose, okay? I know that sounds kind of strange, but you know, you put the heat toward the ice, it's going to melt quickly. So I heat up with around the tip area with my hair dryer, and then just kind of push it through a little bit. But that also did not unclog it. So after you heat it up, just let it sit tight, and then wait about 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Then the ice should melt it by itself. All right. So please be sure to like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and then turn on the bell for notification. And this is an easy fix, and hopefully you guys get your or unclog your water line just like me. This is less than about 10 minutes job, and you don't need to call a repairman for this. If you call, then they're gonna charge a lot. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and then be sure to sub and turn on the bell for notification. All right. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.